ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kynhun Bitar ki badan hagi binta bankintiyo ya ka kam chungo kai perthai hagani ka jala jongi leni ka tourism ki badan hapo ka Kynhun jo Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum kilapan pau ya ka jingsgo Bitar halo ka jingcha ka balacha ha ka step si tho ding ka apun rutrik unai tung araja apsau hakaba ki khot jong seng HNYF kilabat bat khanglenti ho Umtyngar ya ki kali ki bawan nabar jala ki batmu bale shangkai sa ka thain sora ma sa ka thain dauki uwe ni ginong yalam jogani ka Kynhun ba Alan West ulong magani ka Jingleh ka di ka Jingleh ka Khlem Akor bat ka ba pinsniu dur ya ka jala hi bro khwe uba Alan ulong ba kamlong ka basuk ban kinti ya ka kam jungo kai ha ka jala hadu ba kandalong kumni kumba kalong hende kum ka ni ka Jingleh kan kita abha ya ka jala ula kuntu ya ki sang bhalang balada ki pelong jing ki kimde ben shule sendat kumtu hende ki de ben de ki da lenti om da ka bale jubor kani ka Kynhun kala peram jur ya ka Jingleh jong seng HNYF bar kala pen khreru ban tho da ka jing tho sho mintri ka ta jong kai ba polling do
all are aware that what happened today was in fact so to say a very sad day for us in the tourism industry in Meghalaya, where we have seen that tourists coming to our state to visit the tourism spots, beautiful tourism spots of our state, especially in Sora and other Dauki area, they were turned back. It is a big surprise for them, as it was also a big surprise for us, because for the first time we have seen tourists were sent away. It took us many years as tourism stakeholders in the state to build up this tourism footfall that we are having today, what we are enjoying today. Many years we had to even woo tourists to come to this place. We have to tell them, we have to explain to them, please come and visit our state. It is a beautiful state, although the infrastructure is not up to the mark, but please bear with us, come to us, to our place, so that we can build the livelihoods out of tourism and we can build this tourism industry, whatever you have seen today, because of that kind of what you call the call from us tourism stakeholders for the tourist people to visit this state. But unfortunately, what happened today, what all the efforts that we have put up for so many years has come to as not. I say not because whatever happens today, you have seen within the next few minutes and hours, first few hours, that incident where the tourists were turned out by an NGO there in Umtyngar has spread across the country and far and wide, maybe outside also, because of social media and many calls. We as tourism stakeholders, we got so many calls from all over the place, and people said that what it is an unfortunate incident that happened in your state. We never expect that a Meghalaya, a state which is really known today as one of the top tourism state in the country, such thing can happen in this state. And we have come here to see that our interest, our tourism business in the state is being protected, and at the same time also we want to say that all those who are in the tourism business and those who are not in the tourism in the business but enjoying the fruits of tourism, that they also they feel the pain today. And I feel that one thing we would like to say and apologize to all the tourists that have been affected today from our side, from the tourism stakeholder side, and that they should not feel what happened today is unfortunate from our side. But then we would like to welcome them back to Meghalaya, and we would like to see that all the tourists comes to the Meghalaya state, because we need them, and we would like to see that we keep on growing in this tourism sector, because this is one of the sector that gives a maximum employment to the state. We have so many youths here which are unemployed, but tourism is one industry, so to say, in the industry which is really giving benefit to all those who are affected by unemployment.
Gajing sungsi ru halor gajing jam ne ba umpoi perhan nim khmit inti ba hakani gajing sotunat dengan ni kayo tourism ko jam tala bun snem ya ba barok ni sutu ikata gajing sotunat kolong halor gajing toy bangiyo anak ni kam livelihood kam ka jam ka ba kibri kiyo lamba kan kam sakai perthai tinrei gajing jam ne kolong mathe umbaja ya borok hoi ki betre hani kam but ni dapat pau ka jing persyak ka bajur bede bat ka jingleh jong ka to seng ba syukur thlep untum step syubat iki beri stenti mosong si kalong ba bankong pun iya ka jinglong Khlem Akor ka jingleh joki ba jutep khamtam ka to jingja ka de hakrdop cha sora ka ba paunam nam ta ka jingdon Akor jingleh ka jingleh jong tu seng ka pau ka jinglong Khlem Akor pat ka ai ka image bas new ndai shoot tang ya restoran ndai ka state por koi sia ka perthai sabar kumlaong dei ba banlum bantei ya kan ka yo tourism kam ni basu simpor da kisnem mangi batrei kan ka kam ni sothu ba ndai magic musule magic bakan longum ni we have hawk art we have slog but kumba ka longum ni mtahi nganut ban ong ba ka de jing kris tom ji ki bring ba ya don bentah ni ka kam nada ki beri ki babu ya kan ja ki beri banyak kali ki beri dalam guide semua maksudnya kan ka kam sangkai perthai minta ka ikam ki local juga it's all about local livelihood ban yale akai kumni bat kan kam kumni long jingja basungsi hot issue ba fair ki don ki seng balang ki don la ka jong ka hok ban ris ki concern joki tang ba ka don ka rukom le ban sube ubri siteng ti gamot kumao yang bisa sien kapan isi dor ya ka jinglong jongi bat reflect ya ka dor ka bas new sya iwi pat ka benta jong ka perthai ha ka juk social media mta pher tuk tiak tang dak second kubol apoi keleng ka perthai ya ka buram ka bangiri borok skat tang ya cepun spoil tang hapo klip mat mon dei ke bas new pa da kerpat nang ni sakhmat ndai tang ya to seng iki seng ru ba pile aku mikini kam da perhat sani perhat jengai bakar repercussion ketika berjengai ngayo kol keleng menta nak time nong kendong jengi lagi beri kelapan pau ke jing bitar kabere kan ke jing jam ne si dei hok bakin bitar nomor lak tak jak po joki ham tam hakan ke juk ke ba mo ka bangi perhat man pai kham bha se ki kam ki bolong sustainable la ong to nya sange no kati mau to nya sange no kati mau syun Ndai shudon bok wa blai ru da terpang yang ni rihasi jungi bau ai aku wi gajing kerhu bau ai makan long gajaka ka ba itanan dei wain gi resource ba ibri gila ban sim kabui kan ni ban kamai kendong jakpo ba haba ibri gila le sitom kum ni nga kren hakabai dei bat ibri ba invest ha kinong kendong ya kinong kendong ban sim lun silak arlak dei kamba sup Bapelikan rat kelak sim lagi luan ban seng ki homestay ban seng ki dukan joki dai kumkin ki jingja mut ban seir ka kamai jak po joki tinah tadau da kerpat banang ni sakhmat kumong he ki issue kinmi ki seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hok ban pau ki jing jongki le ha kom ko badai kan borbor kadang ko kom ban le kata ban asif yang ngono ko jing ni kan ngono ko jing kwa amdei ban su de jubor kum tu Ndai borbor hi kadil lembar kajing keren kajing sutu bat kajing yang penbet dah kaba yang sutu lang iwe ni em ha kan ni kajaka kaba wat ju perhat mangi la ban em ban long isolated pin kan mau hi borbor mangi rudang hablet sobe mene phone ki khun jangaru pule sabar wangi sos ir marba yo sakta sayangi ru ki khasi ki basa sabar ka jela mehalaya nakakadaw pa ong hi insist pa nang ni sakhmat le da jing sotu bat le ru da jing kit kli ba kai baja hang ni kala ban kata kala yong kerto kala segi student sungi basa sabar ka jela jang ka tourism ka dei open business open market nga sotu ka hok hi ba ong la dingi pendon kami ka resource sungi ba ka jela jungi sodon hok hi sya bakin kamai shua ki try jungi mo try jela tiantai ka don kurkom man le kata ka tourism ka dei competition ru haba pile bhai ubri unjit yapi Ti seperhat bahai kan ni jing ajumot hi nakalian jungi galong ba nang ni sakmat continue ki issue jong pi tang ba burom ru ya kajak po juki bai tengah keren ni kan ni lasai ka sini kan sodon ke jalan ke bahe bah po like kro hojrong ti ka ba barok hat ki stakeholder jong tourism ki bade nong kondong in sai simenta ban penpau ke jing persia alor ke jing jam ne reski bat ban keren sani kum no ban penting kenapa mungkin ki jing ja nang ni sakmat ke ban ja sure. So we are happy that we heard that they have been detained or arrest maybe. So I think we are happy with that the government today did acted fast and arrested those people who were there at Umtyngar. So
that is good, but provided further action should be taken so that at least they will be.
It is so unfortunate that all the work that we have done for the last 20 years has come to naught in just a few hours today. It's very sad that we as the Tourism Forum, we strongly condemn this act that the NGOs have done. I think Subha Alan and the rest have talked a lot about this. So, as what Josie had inquired, the next program of action that we intend to do is to write a strong letter to the Tourism Minister, Paul Indore, to apprise him and to let him know about how we felt as stakeholders. We shall also be giving out a press release in text in a few hours' time, so that you can please kindly bring this out. And may we take this opportunity as stakeholders in the tourism industry that we apologize for this act, this cowardly act, illegal act done by NGOs. And as Bandung said, Meghalaya is a beautiful place, is one of the top destinations in the country, and we welcome tourists again to this place. That's all for now.
Kalian association jang tour guides association of Meghalaya dang mana men step hi ngalayo call ke ba bun ngot ki guides ki ong kerja ayu ba stu support shalom bagi turis borok kim trek ban wan shu shani tikni kata kala kata jur shisha nomor ba ki lakumba khat ar khat lai ngot ki bala pun nga nadu mana men step bagi ong bagi turis ki la cancel bagi bisha shu ban wan ti ki don ru ki guides ki bala phone nga ki ba ong ba ki dang don ki trip la sai ki dang don ki trip ki ni ki si ban wan ru kala kata tekni ki jingleh jung ki ni ki seng ka jing le start nganong mo ya kan ka kam tourism jungi kala penduk jakpo ki samla ki badang shim ki ni ka kam guide kumala keren kumala kroi ba alan mene ki ka tourism jungi kam de shu tang haslong menta layat bahasa po ki than nong kendong te ka balik ke yat kita nong kendong ru ka ai kam ai jam bat ka pen reduce kata ka jingwan jung ki kena jung ki samla na po nong kendong sesor hakal yang ban wat kam wat jam te kam pala don lupa nong jung ki tam bala de ki ja kum kini ki jingja ki bala ja teng ngom dei ta kasin ben kong ka pemerintah kan penduk mensim ki local guides jungi kan penduk mensim ki samla jungi ki badang wa ban sim ban sengjam la kini ka rekom ban guide ki tourist ki ba lech kini ki jaka ba fair ti na kaliang jong ka tour guides association of Meghalaya hi ka penram jor re kini ka jingja ba jingleh jong kini ki sek.
On behalf of the hoteliers, I would like to say one thing, that whatever happened today is very painful indeed. In today's world, tourists traveling anywhere in any part of the world is welcomed. The last thing they do, the treatment they get is harassment in any part of the world. So it is not expected that we give them the best of treatment here, and they are not harassed. They had come with their families, their hotel bookings, they were proceeding towards the hotel, they were looking forward to a weekend holiday, and they were suddenly turned back. So it is very unfortunate, and I hope it never repeats. This kind of a situation never appears again. The fallout of this is drastic. Today itself, the figures that I am getting is about 30% of bookings have been cancelled. And tomorrow onwards, we expect more than 50% of the bookings to be cancelled. It's already started happening because people are inquiring. And ultimately, who loses? The entire state loses. The entire population loses. A lot of people are dependent on the tourism now. My friends have already spelled the vastness of the impact of the tourism industry, from the street hawkers to the homestay owners to the restaurants to the cafes. Everyone is a loser. So it is a very, very losing situation for everyone, and we condemn this kind of an incident. vehemently and urge upon the government to ensure that this kind of a situation is not repeated again.